Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. And this is Mother Eagle here with your daily inspiration. Okay, so happy Monday, by the way. I was thinking about flying high with baggage. For the last few weeks, I've been doing some evaluation, right? You know, every so often you have to evaluate your life. Are you on track? Are you going where you want to go? Are you accomplishing your dreams the way you want them to be? Or is change needed, right? Then I remembered we cannot fly with baggage. Hi, welcome. Let me know where you're watching from. We cannot fly with baggage. With baggage, I mean if you have unforgiveness in your heart, if you're taking along people who don't belong anymore, if you're doing old-fashioned things that are not working and they are not practical anymore, things of that nature, that is all baggage. And I remember a story, actually it's not a story, if you're aware of the space shuttle, as the space shuttle is launching to go up into space, it carries a lot of fuel. But the faster and higher it goes, the more fuel it has to burn off and dump most of it, because in order to get speed, in order to fly high and fly quick, you have to be light in your heart, light in the things you do. You know, you have to be bold enough to cut off things that are not working or they are not practical anymore, even if they are working for everybody else. That is really the pitfall, because sometimes we think because something is working for your friend, your neighbor, your cousins, or it has worked for generations, you know, from grandpa to grandma, and you think that's what you need to do now. It may not be practical. It may not be the thing for you, you know. And so be open to try something new, to release and say, no, I will not do that because it doesn't serve this time in my life, you know, meaning you'll have to release people. You may have to release locations, you know, because I know some of you, it's time for you to move into some other place as a way of advancing and promotion. It's time for you to move away from negative people, whether they are in your house or they are in a place you work or they are in a marketplace. Just to change your environment so you can fly free, you know. So the question for you this time is what kind of baggage do you need to release so you can continue soaring and soaring high and soaring quick? The good news is we all benefit. When you heal, when you put your things in proper alignment, we all benefit. You know, I hope this helps you. Oh, by the way, on my YouTube channel, I'm going to start putting spiritual things. So people who are interested in spiritual related things, be sure to follow me on my YouTube channel. You know, many years ago, I was blessed to speak light language. Light language is in another, most people call it speaking in tongues, right? Yeah, I've been speaking in tongues for like 10 years. In April, I learned another gift opened up. I can write in tongues. So I actually want to share that on my YouTube channel. So I know it's totally different. That's why I'm putting it over there. And I'll start a Patreon group for all of you to join, you know, just like a small place. But otherwise, I love you guys. Take care. Joseph, thank you for joining. And everybody else, thank you for joining. I love you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.